Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day today. In today's video, we are going to make a granny square scrunchie together. It's super easy and let's get started. Okay, so here's the first square I make. It's pretty easy, just make a circle and then 3 double crochets, 2 chains here, and then repeat on the second row and the third row. Now I will quickly show you how to do it and how to connect the squares. First, let's chain 4. Slip stitch onto the first chain and we make a ring, then chain 2. I always like to make a chain 2 as a double crochet at the beginning of the round when I need to switch colors, because that's how you can make the invisible join when you finish this row. Okay, now 2 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and just continue. Now we have finished the row 1 and we have 4 clusters and 2 chains, and we'll now cut the yarn, pull this through, use a needle, and we're going to insert the needle into the that's the second double crochet. Yeah, here we'll insert here and then back to the last chain we made. Now we will go through the second chain from the first double crochet we made, like the chain 2 here. That's how we make like complete that chain 2 into a double crochet. Okay, now we just weave in the ends. And we're also gonna pull the beginning, pull here. So this is how the first row is. Now when we start the second row, I usually start from a corner. Again, we chain 2 and we make 1 double crochet. Then we'll make the chain 2, that's another corner, and 3 double crochets in the same corner. Chain 1 and the second corner, the reason why I start from like these 2 double crochets here is because when I place the last double crochet, it's easier to just join it with the invisible method, and yeah, because the corners are where you will pull with most strength, so it's better to hide it here than somewhere else. That's my opinion. That's how I always does on my squares. Okay, after we finish this corner, we chain one, and when we pick up the last square we made, we insert the hook from here, and we'll make one stitch like this. Just remember to pull it tight, chain one, and we work on the next 3 double crochet. Okay, now we've come to the second joining point. That's here. I would always like insert the hook from here, and then we make one chain. Is that a chain? Yeah. Okay, then we start the middle 3 double crochets. Then again, join with another space here, and we've come to the third corner. Chain one, insert hook in here, pull it through, tighten it, chain one, 3 double crochets, and there we have these 2 squares connected, and the rest is just like repeating the same steps. And when you have when you work on the 4th square, remember you have to connect both ends. So yeah, I'm gonna show that to you later, but right now it's just like this. And now let's flip over this first square. Again, we join with this corner. Pull it tight. Make 3 double crochets. Join again. 3 double crochets. Join again, and the last corner. Now we'll start to put the elastic band inside. So first, we'll just put it here, and we're gonna wrap it around the elastic band. Okay, and just remember to align the stitches. Yep. And just single crochet around until you finish, and you have yourself a pretty granny square scrunchie. Just like that. Okay, so here's the last stage we have. Just cut it, and again join with the invisible method, and we're done. that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you make your own square scrunchies. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And happy holidays, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.